So MultiSIM could be used for free if we use small components, and we are using it for rectifier circuit. Okay. Suppose we have a diode and we have a resistor like this. We put it here and we can rotate it. This is online MultiSIM. Like this, connection is made. This only one is sufficient. Then I'm using it for the first time. Okay. And let us apply our AC source here, like this. Okay. And we can join the wire. Like this. Wire is joined. Okay, so that circuit is completed. Let us see what will be the output if we run it. Simulator loading. No ground node is there. Okay, so ground node is sufficient, necessary. So we are initializing MultiSIM again. Let us make the circuit which we discussed in the class today. We have a diode. Let us put it here. Okay. A resistor. We could rotate it like this and connect it like this. Okay. Then we have a power supply. Let us take a ground first, because last time we forgot ground here. We have a power supply, DC power supply. First let us connect AC power supply. No. Right here. And we need a DC power supply also. DC power supply is let's take it like this. Let us rotate it like this, and let us put it here like this, and let us connect these connections. Let us change its voltage. Change this voltage to voltage, let us say 10 volt, and here it is, let us say 4 volt. Okay, let us change frequency also, 1 kilohertz per hertz. Let us take it as 500 hertz. Okay, so this is the circuit which we made in the class, and we have to observe it, the output. Output could be taken. What is this? Voltage, current, expression, analysis. So let us take the voltage here. take another voltage here, input and output. Okay. Let us see how it is running. Circuit is complete. Let us learn it. Okay. So it is changing like this. If we take the graph, okay, now we get it. This is the graph we are getting. So it is positively clipped, as we have done in the class also. So it is that circuit which we discussed in the class. Okay, you can, it is coming like same. Okay. The blue one is the input and this greenish one is the output. Okay, you can see here. Blue one is the input and green one is the output. This is the graph plot. You can have both of them on the same screen like this. This is the paper circuit and this is the output. Okay, we can change it also. So let us suppose we change the voltage to, let us say, -2 volt. Then what will happen? Yeah, it is changing like this. The voltage, you have the explanation to it. You can explain why it is coming like this. If we change this voltage to, let us say, -5 volt, okay, then it is coming down to the 5 volt like this. It will remain the negative paper. It will remain the negative paper because this direction is like this. Okay, the moment you change this direction, let us change this direction first, like this. Changing its direction means, okay, let us come to schematic. Put its running, stop its running. Okay, now I am changing its mirror. Diode is mirrored away. हाँ हाँ ले लो, पानी ले लो. So now what I am doing is I am changing the direction of the diode. Okay, I am connecting it to resistance like this. So it is connected now, and it is 10 volt and it is 5 volt. Okay, now we can run it. Sorry, I haven't put the probes, the voltmeter. Let me put the voltmeter here. Add the output and voltmeter here. Add the input. Okay. Now let us take. Let us run it. Here it is running. Simulator is loading. Yeah. We see in graph. Okay. Now the positive side is clicked. Please note that now the positive side is clicked. Moment you change the direction of the diode, the negative clipper becomes the positive clipper and vice versa. Earlier it was the negative clipper, now it is a positive clipper because positive half is getting clipped away. Again you can here change the voltage of this battery. Let's take it to -3 now. Yeah, -3, you will get it to be shifted like this. 3 times it is shifted. You are getting it. Earlier input is peaked at 10 and now you are getting it at almost -3 times. Okay, like this. And if you take it as -1, then it will be like this. We are changing the value of this voltage, the DC power supply which we applied. If we take it as 0, then it is a complete overlap. The negative half cycle is clipped. It is acting as a rectifier. The negative half is clipped. When we take it at 0, if we take it as +2, then it will be like this. If we take it as -10, let us take it as -10, then you see it has moved downwards. It has moved downwards. And we'll go to document, item. You can take its screenshot and you can try the different circuits by yourself, like shunt clipper, etc. You can try it by yourself. And if we take it +2, like this. So clipping is performed. This is how we can simulate the clipping circuits. Whatever the circuit I have supplied, you can try for that also. The bolstered, which we bolstered page number 82. Page number 82 of bolstered. You can try all the circuits by using these simulations and see whether the given outputs are matching it or not. Okay, for shunt clippers also and for the series clippers also likewise. Okay, so this is MultiSIM.com, where you will go and you can try through your Gmail account. Few versions, first few things will be free. You can try it at home also through your laptops. Okay.